say it was this, because it kind of was like sitting like this, and a little like to the side, not like that. Last bolt before we touch up the accessories. Good. Alright. Now it's got these 2 bolts. Wait, where does this guy go? Oh. I don't know where this thing goes, but I know this one goes here. Alright, so we figured out where the bolt went. I forgot there was a little mount right here that holds the intake manifold in. So now that we got that, we can throw these 2 little bolts on that I've now... Oh, thought I misplaced. But yeah, after these go in, all I'm gonna do is throw an oil filter in there, drain the oil, fill it up with oil, fill it up with coolant, and we'll show you guys the cold start. About to spew out. I'm about to say screw that drain plug, because we got a new one. That should look black, and it's only got like 2,000 miles on it. But she sat for like what? How long you think?
Like 3-4 months.
Oh God.
Yeah.
So we'll get that oil.
My poor girl. My poor girl. Oh, she's so cute though.
Yeah, she's real cute now. After beating me up.
Yeah, she's high maintenance.
My God. Now she needs a fucking bath too.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Spa day.
Alright, through the night, way up high, to cathedrals in the sky. I ride through the night, way up high, to cathedrals in the sky. I ride.
What's going on, you guys? I know we said we were gonna give you guys a. Hold on, let me shut this off. I know we told you we'd give you a cold start on the MK7 after everything was all said and done, but oh my God, that thing put us through hell. We pretty much went back and forth with one of my buddies, Dylan, up north, asking him what I'm doing wrong, because I took it apart and put it together just about 5 or 6 times with the damn water pump assembly, and come to find out there was just one part that goes into the side that I was putting in the assembly first and not in the block first. And I guess that's the way you're supposed to do it after I put everything together. Everything was good, but this weekend we also got this thing all said and done. I got my brake shields off that were rattling like hell, absolute hell. If you've ridden in it or you know about it, the shields were just rattling like crazy. So over that. But we did an oil change on it as well. We messed with the coolant with this one as well. We gave it a detail. We got the normal maintenance done to it. We got our wiper blades. I got my mirror. I got my headlight. Everything's all situated and done now. This thing got a tube in it. The quad, well, Shay's quad, got an oil change in it. And we figured out what was wrong with it. Come to find out that I don't know if someone hit something or if we had it jump too hard. But the right side tie rod blew out. So we got to get that replaced, and we still got to figure out Kyle's quad. But once those are back, we'll definitely be back on the track. So supposed to hit Adventureland soon. So after all that's said and done, we'll be back on the toys. We hope you guys enjoyed the car content this week. Let us know if you want more of it, or more detail into repairing them or fixing them or building them, whatever it may be. Let us know. Now that everything's kind of maintenance back together, we can start with the aftermarket parts, because we know the MK7 needs a tune. This one needs the wrap, and we got a whole bunch of projects laying around the yard. So stay tuned for more. If you guys like it, let us know. We love you guys. Peace.
Iced tea, chillin', sit back and recline. Keep bad vibes on your side of the line. Don't call my phone, yeah, I'm doing fine. Look at the time, run with the lime. What you got? I don't need it, I don't want it. What I got?